Hello, the purpose of this video is to explain to you what the Bid Maximiser is, what it can do for your auction, and then I'll show you a demo of it in action so you can understand why you very likely want to use it. Let's first of all just consider, if you look here, what happens at a typical online auction that doesn't have a feature such as Bid Maximiser. If you look here, the standard auction will typically progress until a set closing time. In this case, it's 5 p.m. the auction ends. This shows you the progress of bidding on one particular promise. Initially, Robert bid £79 at 4:51, which was 9 minutes before the auction was due to close. And Emily came in with a bid of £80. And then finally, Steve came in with just 15 seconds to go until the auction ended with a bid of £82. Now, because it was so close to the end of the auction, that doesn't give time for either Robert or Emily or any other bidder to respond with a better bid. So the bidding ended at £82 for that promise, that lot. So it may well be that more money could have been raised if people had more time to respond. If you consider what happens at a live auction event with an auctioneer, he will always give everyone a chance to respond with a better bid before he puts his hammer down. So what the Bid Maximiser does is it effectively does this. If you enable Bid Maximiser on your auction, then any promise that has a bid within the last 2 minutes of the auction, an extra 2 minutes will be added on just for that promise until the bidding closes on it. And so if you enable the Bid Maximiser on your auction, this can apply to as many promises as get a last minute bid. So let's now see how the bidding progresses with it enabled. So here you see the same example. Steve came in here with his bid of £82, 15 seconds before the 5 p.m. main auction close time. So what Bid Maximiser would do in this case, it would add on just for this promise 2 minutes. Now that gives Emily a chance to respond with a better bid. Because there's been a bid, it adds on another 2 minutes to give everyone a chance to respond. So Steve came in with £90. Finally, the winning bidder was Emily with a bid of £105. The key thing is with Bid Maximiser, everyone gets a minimum of 2 minutes to respond to a bid, which is enough time to see the notification that you've been outbid and then respond. Okay, so next I'm going to show you a demo of it in action. Okay, so here you see an example of an auction with some bidding in progress. You'll see on the left side of the screen, and we've got Anna's browser, and she's interested in this Cardiff Stadium tour. And on the right hand side, you see Charlie's browser as well. Now, if we come down here on Anna's browser, you'll see actually the auction's only got 1 minute left remaining, and you'll see the same thing here on Charlie's as well. So I'm going to be Anna, and I'm going to place a bid of £50 for this. Okay, and we'll place the bid. Okay, so it says my bid of £50 is the current top bid. If we scroll down here, you'll see that because that bid was made within the last 2 minutes, Bid Maximiser has been activated on this promise, and a countdown timer has started. So this now gives Charlie 2 minutes to respond. So he can place a bid. The minimum bid now is £52. I'm going to go for 55 as Charlie. And you'll see on the left, Anna's been outbid. It says the top bid is now £55. You'll see Anna's got this message saying £55 is the top bid. And the timer's reset. So Anna has another 2 minutes to respond here. And so she can do so. So let's say I'm going to be Anna again, and I'm going to respond with a bid of, I'll go for £58, and yeah, I need to confirm that. Okay, so your bid of £58 is the current top bid as Anna, and Charlie's got this message, and he'll also get an email. So Charlie gets 2 minutes to respond. So this way, it's a bit like having a real auctioneer, giving everybody a fair chance to finish. Let's assume now that Charlie's been outbid at £50, £58, and Anna's with her top bid of 58 is is going to be the highest bidder. Everyone else is getting this 2 minutes to respond, and let's assume now that 58 is the maximum. So we'll just run the clock down to the end of the auction. Okay, and here you see now the clock has very nearly run down. We fast forwarded it to the end. No one else has placed a bid. Anna is still the highest bidder. The screen now confirms that bidding has ended. She won that auction at £58. To see more video guides, visit the How It Works pages of the website, where you'll find more details and guides for other features of Auction and Promises. If you'd like to leave any comments or feedback, then please do so. It's very useful by visiting auctionandpromises.com and using the comments page. Thanks and bye for now.